This hidden country log home in a perfectly private setting offers the ultimate in quiet country living. On acreage spanning 10 acres, you'll find a wonderful mix of forest land and pasture, landscaping, a pond, and creek. The gated entrance leads to a long drive, providing seclusion, yet you still have easy access to dining, shopping, and services. The best of both worlds. Head inside and discover soaring vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, and gorgeous architectural details throughout. Relax by the cozy wood stove, or head out for your morning coffee on your wraparound deck while viewing the friendly wildlife from otters to deer and herons. The gorgeous new kitchen features granite counters, custom crafted cabinets, and a Wolf dual-fuel range with convection oven. You'll find 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths in this home of more than 3,200 square feet. Unwind in your vaulted master bedroom, which has access to its own private deck. In addition to another full bath, you'll find a bonus room, perfect for an office or 3rd bedroom. And another deck with gorgeous views. On the lower level, you'll find a spacious family room, originally designed as a separate living quarters with its own entrance, a full bath, laundry, and a storage room. Outbuildings include a tool shed, wood storage, greenhouse, covered motorhome storage, and a poultry palace. The acreage, which may be dividable, includes a large area leveled in preparation for a shop, barn, or potential second residence. An exceptional home in a beautifully private setting. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Kristin Harris with Premier Property Group.